A ticking sound under the lock. Life is counting down on your mind clock. The moments that recorded yesterday turn to dust and fade away. A ticking sound under the lock. Turn the day into a dark. The times you once shared exist as if you were never there. A ticking sound under the lock. Turn the happiness into a shock. Days fly, friends die, and you never know when you will say your last goodbye. Oh, how I wish I could turn back time, spend it with loved ones, and cherish what was mine, or to go back even more, being a kid in a candy store. How I miss the way I used to feel on Sunday night when the wind was real. But back to reality, back to today. Family's gone and memories continue to fade away. A ticking sound under the lock. How I wish I could control this clock.